Hey everyone, I'm recording this video on Saturday and it is actually a beautiful day outside, so I hope that you are outside enjoying the lovely weather. I think that this week is supposed to be a little bit on the rainy side, so today might be your best chance to get out there and enjoy it. So we are starting week 4 of our learning plan, and Mrs. Shortall and I have been talking, and one of the things that we're noticing is that there are some people who are having some difficulty getting the assignments that we're giving to you, getting those completed during the week. If you have a situation in your house where, whether it's because somebody is sick or because you have parents who are not at home because they're working, but something that is keeping you from being able to complete assignments, please reach out and let us know that so that we can possibly help you or at least know what's going on with you at this time. If you are just picking and choosing the assignments that you want to do, then what we're asking is that you really are working on all of these assignments. Truly, what we're asking you to do should not be taking you, if you work on it a little bit every day, you should be able to do everything in, an hour and a half per day, I would say is probably going to be enough time till you do your 20 minutes of iReady math and 20 minutes of iReady reading. And then you can divide up the science, social studies, and writing, as well as if you're doing the things from our specialist teachers as well, you can divide those up throughout the week. If you need help creating a schedule that will work for you so that you can see what to work on at, each day and, even breaking it down by time, certainly reach out to either myself or to Mrs. Shortall and we can help you to create a schedule if that is something that you would be interested in. The idea is we want to make sure that even though this is a very crazy time, and yes, it is not normal school that we are used to, we want to make sure that we're keeping your brain active and we're continuing to grow your math and reading skills and writing skills so that when we do come back together and you move on to 5th grade, that you're ready for the challenges that you will be faced in that grade level. So certainly reach out to us with any questions or concerns that you might have. We're here to help you. Couple things this week, we will have our class meets on Tuesday at 10 a.m. and Thursday at 4 p.m. And this week, what I'm asking you to do is to bring a prized possession. So something that you own, a non-living thing. So you're not bringing your pets, you're not bringing siblings or parents. I know that they're very important to you, but we want something that's non-living, and I want you to be able to come and be ready to explain to us why that thing is important to you. Okay. Next thing is that Mrs. Shortall and I were talking this week, and we're trying to, we're all learning as we go through this. And one of the things, for me, we already had set up Google Classrooms for math and for science. What I've decided to do is to actually combine and put everything into one Google Classroom. So I'm taking the math Google Classroom, I'm going to be renaming it, so you'll have to look and see when you log in later this weekend or Monday to find out what the new name is, but I guarantee you'll be able to tell which one it is. And that's where all of your materials for science and math will be located. Mrs. Shortall is also putting all of her materials into one Google Classroom from her. So yes, you'll still have 2 Google Classrooms to go into, but we figured that's better than having 4 or 3 Google Classrooms that you need to go to. Inside of my Google Classroom, I tried to eliminate and narrow down the topics. So there will be a topic that is called Online Learning Current Week. That means those are all of the assignments just for the week that we are currently in. Then there's an online assignments or online learning past weeks. What I'll do is I'm not going to delete any of the assignments, but I will push them into that other topic, so that if you want to go back to something or to see something that you already have done, you still have access to it, but it's not going to be, overwhelming you in one place. Then you'll also see that there will be topics where it'll say feedback for each of the different weeks. And that's where I'll post your feedback that I've been giving you for the work that you're doing in iReady, and anything else that I need to give you feedback on. So that will all be in there. So, excuse me. If you have any questions or concerns about anything, please feel free to reach out to me. I look forward to seeing you in our classroom meets. I don't know about you, but I know that's been a highlight, something that I look forward to throughout the week, because, I miss seeing you every day and seeing your smiling faces and hearing, the funny stories that you have to share with me. So I look forward to seeing you, and until our next classroom meet. Bye, guys.